The year is 1798. England is in the throes of the Industrial Revolution. A young economist, Thomas Robert Malthus, publishes a controversial essay. It's titled An Essay on the Principle of Population. His central argument is chillingly simple. Population grows geometrically. Food production at best grows arithmetically. Malthus argued that this simple fact would have dire consequences. He predicted widespread famine and social unrest. His theory became known as the Malthusian catastrophe. The core of his argument was a numbers game. Population doubles, then doubles again, and again. Food production increases incrementally. Eventually, demand outstrips supply. Malthus's theory, though bleak, was highly influential. It shaped economic and social policy for decades. It also sparked intense debate. History tells a fascinating story of human innovation. For millennia, agriculture remained largely unchanged. Farmers relied on traditional methods. They toiled with basic tools and age-old practices. Then came a series of revolutions. Each revolution dramatically altered the course of food production. The first revolution was the agricultural revolution. It began in the 18th century. New farming techniques emerged. Crop rotation, for example, improved soil fertility. The seed drill allowed for more efficient planting. These innovations led to a significant increase in yields. This in turn supported a growing population. The second revolution was the Industrial Revolution. This era brought mechanization to agriculture. The invention of the tractor revolutionized farming. It allowed farmers to cultivate larger areas of land. The invention of the combine harvester automated the process of harvesting grain. These technological advancements further boosted food production. They allowed humanity to feed an even larger population. Today, we stand on the cusp of a third revolution. This is the gene revolution. Scientists have unlocked the secrets of DNA. They are using this knowledge to engineer crops. These genetically modified crops, or GMOs, offer several advantages. They can increase yields, resist pests, and tolerate herbicides. One prominent example is Bt corn. It contains a gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. This gene allows the corn to produce a protein that is toxic to certain insects. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides. Another example is Roundup Ready soybeans. These soybeans are resistant to the herbicide glyphosate. This allows farmers to control weeds without harming the crops. However, GMOs have also sparked controversy. Some people are concerned about potential health risks. They worry that consuming GMOs could lead to allergies or other health problems. Others are concerned about environmental risks. They worry that GMOs could harm beneficial insects or contaminate other crops. The debate over GMOs is complex and ongoing. It involves ethical, economic, and scientific considerations. The Malthusian catastrophe remains a looming threat. The world's population continues to grow. Resources are finite. The challenge of feeding a growing population is more urgent than ever. However, Malthus couldn't have foreseen the pace of technological advancement. He lived in a time before electricity, before computers, before genetic engineering. Today, we have a range of tools at our disposal. We can leverage technology to increase food production. We can develop new farming techniques. We can invest in sustainable agriculture. We can also address the issue of food waste. Globally, a significant portion of food is wasted. Reducing waste could free up resources to feed more people. The future of humanity depends on our ability to manage resources wisely. We must find ways to feed a growing population without depleting the planet. We must embrace innovation and sustainability. We must also address social and economic inequalities. Only then can we avert the Malthusian catastrophe and create a future where everyone has enough to eat?
Knowledge is power.